So, remember back here? All this stuff was grown halfway up the fence back there. It was all the way up the metal and stuff, all this overgrown. We came out here, we chopped it, mowed it, weed whacked it, brought the owner's father in. He has a special hoe that he shaves the end down, and he chops the trees and stuff, the smaller trees with it, like they kind of do in a rice field. And he came through and chopped the trees and stuff, all the big stuff. And we came in and we started cleaning out all the stuff that was climbing up the walls all the way down. We got most of the way done. I came back and treated all this with actually ground killer to kill everything. So this is all treated, it's dying. And then once everything's dead, I'll come through again. This hasn't been mowed in forever over here on the corner. So we went through and did as best we could with this part. Cleaned it up as much as possible all the way down, chopped all this down, and then treated it. It's all dying now, so probably another day it'll look brown, maybe 2. This will be a project to get all this trash out of here tomorrow. I'd like to kill all this as well. This grass is not even supposed to be growing here. This was supposed to be another spot to park cars next to the sidewalk. Then I came up here to the front and cleaned out all this all the way down to past the shop. Raked the garbage out around the fence all the way down. I bet you we probably got 2 or 3 giant bags of garbage off of this sidewalk right here. And then I went and sprayed all this. It's already dying. All the way down this fence line and all the way down the fence line where you see the apartment building down there, where they ain't doing none of their stuff. They're not cleaning it up. So I got all that cleaned out. I want to put a couple raised flower beds in the front of this. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking about building a few box raised flower beds, putting it right there in front of the business, putting some flowers and stuff in there, spiffing it up a little bit, and then painting the front of the building. And then I'm looking for a graffiti artist to come in and paint some automotive stuff for us. So if anybody's interested in the Chicagoland area and you want to have rights to do some pretty cool automotive graffiti, I'm willing to let you use the building as your canvas. There will be an interview process, obviously, and there will be pay involved. I'm not going to have you come out and do it for free. Yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at with that. We have raised $7,000 for the Optima back here. You guys know the story. Kia not wanting to pitch in and help at all. They washed their hands of it, and extended warranty company washed their hands of it. Finance company washed their hands of it. The used car dealer that sold the car washed their hands of it. They want no part of it. They said they don't really care how the girl struggles. And here we are. I called the Kia dealer up. They said yesterday the status was there was a long block was available. Today the status is it's not available. So I called Eric from I Do Cars, and he looked around, kind of searched around for me and stuff, and he's like, hey, actually there is one here locally. Let me try to get a price. It's only got 11,000 miles on it, and it's a Kia that was in an accident, and it has the new updated engine. Let me get a price for you, and I'll shoot you the price, and then maybe I get the engine out to you. So he may have came through and saved the day on that. So, what do? You know, trying to do the best you can for the girl. They're saying now all of a sudden back order on the long block within 24 hours. Already back order. I mean, I don't know. If any of you are Kia parts guys out there and you can give me a long block and you can shoot me a good price, let me know. I'll buy it from you. But in the meantime, I'm going to wash up and I'm going home. That's the update with the Kia disaster. No help. Just none at all. Zero. Let her struggle. We don't care. Kia doesn't care. The ironic thing is, 2016 Hyundai Sonata came in today. Naturally aspirated, no turbo. Scored cylinder walls, drinking oil, smoke every time you started it up. 72,000 miles on it. I thought there was a warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile. I made the guy an appointment at Hyundai. for January 5th at 2:30, and then called up a contact I knew at Hyundai, and they were like, yeah, that's only if you're the original owner, not if you're the second owner. Only if you're the original owner does that 10-year, 100,000 mile. If you're the second owner, it's only 5 years, 60,000. He said, I just found that out myself. It doesn't even apply to this guy. So this guy's not even going to get any coverage on that engine unless they goodwill the 72,000 mile engine that's just bore scoped it, scoring all up and down the cylinder walls and everything, just junk. Hyundai and Kia 4-cylinder engine, just trash. Anyway, y'all be blessed. I'm cleaning up. I'm going home. I'm exhausted. Take care. Love y'all. Remember, donation link will be down low. Pay it forward program for stuff like the Kia Optima, Miss Helen Johnson, stuff like that. You guys know. You've been here. The OG's been here. Donate if you can. If you can't, you can't. If you're on assistance, and I don't want you donating if you already need help. Keep that to yourself. That's your money. You need help. You need it. Let those of us that can donate. Thank you. And then there's this hunk of shit right there on the rack, leaking out of every freaking orifice that you can possibly leak out of. Another Kia Optima. Trash cars. Just throw them away. Just throw them away. Trade them before you get to 75 or 70,000 miles. Well, earlier, 72,000 miles. Trade them before you get to 30,000 miles and you'll be good. Great trade-in value, right?